This is the Xiangon New Area, the largest construction site in Asia. Initiated in April 2017, this colossal undertaking has become a symbol of unyielding progress, employing over 200,000 workers and orchestrating a fleet of 2,500 cranes, working tirelessly day and night. With a staggering investment exceeding $418 million, this venture transcends conventional infrastructure development. It serves as a profound testament to a nation's steadfast commitment to shaping its own destiny. Beyond mere economic expansion, the Xiangon New Area stands as a visionary blueprint for the cities of the future, a testament that breaks the boundaries of time and space. Amidst the radiant glow of 1,000 construction lights and the persistent